Having trouble with Tesco Mobile's age verification? You're not alone. Due to recent regulatory pressures and network upgrades, many users are experiencing issues with ID checks and content filters. The first step is to try restarting your device and clearing the app cache, which resolves 70% of cases. Ensure your Tesco Mobile app is up to date. Problems often stem from poor internet connectivity, especially in rural areas. If using biometric ID checks, ensure good lighting. For persistent issues with apps like Tesco Clubcard or content filtering on broadband, contact Tesco Mobile support for manual verification. Remember to use secure VPN-free connections. Tesco Mobile uses age verification to ensure users aren't exposed to inappropriate content. This includes ID checks, where you upload documents or use biometric scans through apps like Yoti, and content filters, which block access to age-restricted sites and apps. ID checks involve uploading government-issued documents or using biometric scans through apps like Yoti. This process is similar to confirming your age on platforms like Instagram. Content filters block access to age-restricted sites and apps. These filters use databases like the Internet Watch Foundation, IWF, to identify and block child-unfriendly content. Current effectiveness can reach around 45 to 50%. Failures in age verification can occur due to slow internet speeds, app incompatibilities, or server-side errors. Tesco Mobile is moving towards AI-enhanced verification, potentially using app usage patterns to passively verify age, reducing reliance on intrusive ID uploads. Stay informed about updates to these processes.